Hello, today we are making caramel custard. The ingredients you need for the caramel custard are granulated sugar and water. For the custard, you need milk, eggs, vanilla extract and granulated sugar. Let us begin by making the caramel. In an aluminium or steel dish, add the granulated sugar and water. Let the caramelization process begin by turning on your heat to medium. Do not be tempted to touch the sugar mixture, it will burn you. This process will take 5 to 7 minutes. Begin stirring once it starts turning a golden color to ensure it is evenly caramelized throughout. If you like it sweet, don't let it get too dark. Look for a rich amber color and turn off the heat. While it is still hot, coat the dish on all sides. The caramel will begin to thicken as it cools. Set the caramel aside and let it cool completely. Let's begin working on the custard. For the custard, crack and add your eggs to a clean bowl. Give it a light whisk. Then add in the sugar, milk, vanilla extract and a tiny pinch of salt, which will help bring out the flavors better. Whisk it well and make sure the sugar dissolves. Once the caramel has cooled and hardened, pour in the custard. We are going to cook the custard in a steamer, so make sure you cover it tightly with foil or a tight lid. I am cooking this in my idli vessel with a steamer basket. Use what you have. Place the caramel custard in a steamer that is hot. Cover and let it cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-high heat. Once it is cooked, let it cool completely in the steamer before putting it in the fridge. Refrigerate for up to 4 hours or overnight. Once the caramel custard is chilled and set, run a knife around the edges and de-mould onto your favorite platter. There you go, check out that wobble. Cut, serve, eat and enjoy. To see more delicious recipes, please subscribe to Trusty Crust. If you like this video, please share or leave a comment below.